Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a delicious and easy carrot halwa, a perfect sweet treat you just can't miss. First, heat a pan and add some ghee as needed. Now drop in a few cashew nuts and fry them until they turn light brown. Take them out and keep them aside. Next, add the grated carrots to the same pan and saute them well until all the water evaporates. Once the carrots are dry, pour in 2 cups of milk. Keep stirring and cooking until the milk is completely absorbed. Now add 1 bowl of sugar and stir continuously. Cook until the sugar melts and the mixture turns into a soft halwa texture. If needed, add a little more ghee and give it a good stir for extra richness. Then add the fried cashew nuts. Then sprinkle some cardamom powder. And that's it. Your yummy and tasty carrot halwa is ready to enjoy. Then finally add a few melon seeds for the perfect crunch. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification so you never miss a new recipe. Your support keeps this channel going and it means the world to me. Check out the full ingredients and steps in the description below. Let's stay connected on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, stay happy and keep smiling. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.